Alright, what's up guys? So we are in San Diego. I don't know if you guys recognize, but this is Jay from Jaycation. He's the king of San Diego. And we're going to get some of the best surf and turf burritos out here in San Diego. And Jay here is an expert, so he's gonna lead the way.
Dan versus World, what's up guys? It's a pleasure to show this guy around today. We're over here at Lucha Libre. Now, California Burritos are popular here, and if you guys want to get real technical, it's technically a surf and turf, like he said, because they put shrimp with the carne asada steak, or with their steak. I don't know if it's actually carne asada, so yeah, let's go inside, check it out, subscribe to his channel, hit that notification bell. Let's go.
Alright, so this is only my second time here. Jay here is an expert and he's been to Lucha Libre a couple times, so why don't you tell us what makes Lucha Libre so special?
So Lucha Libre is really popular because it was on, like, I think it was Diners, Divers, and what's that show called?
Diners, Drive-ins, and Dives.
Tongue twister, bro.
Yeah.
And it's also on a lot of travel channels and whatnot. What's really popular about it is all the Mexican style Lucha Libre Mexican wrestling decorations around here. Yeah. The one in North Park actually has a ring that you can actually dine at, and this one is the OG one off of Washington Street. So like a lot of people like to land in San Diego and go straight here because the airport's just across the street.
Yeah, so that's why there's all the wrestling, all the artistry in there. It has pretty cool decor, but I think they're renovating, so we're not able to sit in there. Let's see what we have here. As you guys know, I love my Mexican food. I love tacos, but you know, when you're in San Diego, just a little bit north of the border, you gotta get that seafood, that surf and turf. So let's see what this is all about.
We're only about 15 minutes away from the border too. So.
Oh yeah, 15 minutes. That's almost walking distance. Oh my goodness. This is huge. You see this? That surf and that turf. So this one has pico de gallo, steak, shrimp, their special sauce, rice. Guys, this smells delicious.
I got the Alhambra, California, which this time doesn't have shrimp in it. It just has the steak, and it's got fries instead of rice. It's really good.
I've had the California here before. That one's pretty amazing. The California has fries, but I'm gonna opt with all the protein today.
Nice.
Let's try out the chips first, guys. Looks nice and oily. I like to dip my chips in the red salsa. Got the red salsa on deck. Got the chips. Let's try it out. Sauce nice and spicy, tangy. That's some good salsa right there. On the spicy side though for you guys. Alright guys, I'll just go ahead and take my first bite of this surf and turf burrito. Look at this, guys. It is overflowing. That is amazing. The tortilla is nice and soft. There's a lot of fresh garnishings on this. You can really taste the tomato, the pico de gallo, and there's like a mayonnaise sauce on here. Yeah, it's like a chipotle kind of aioli sauce. There's some guacamole in here. Steak is nice and tender, very well marinated, but the star of this has to go to the shrimp. There's nice sized shrimp in here, and it's just really fresh. Jay was saying though that I have to agree. I've been here like 4 years ago, and 100,000%. The burritos were much more stuffed and bigger, but
you
really can't hate.
A little bit, yeah.
Skimping a little bit, but you can't hate on it because it's still a delicious burrito. Why don't you go ahead and tell the viewers what burrito that is?
So this is the Alhambra, California. It just has the steak with some bell peppers, onions, and cheese. There's like a jalapeno cheese sauce on it. I threw a little bit of salsa on top. And I usually only eat half a burrito, so I'm gonna eat this now and then eat the other half later on. So, cheers to you guys. Make sure you're subscribed to Dan versus World.
Subscribe. How's that?
The difference between this and the surf in California is definitely the jalapeno cheese. And the bell peppers and stuff they have in here. You kind of has like a fajita, like a like a steak fajita type feel to it,
like an
in a
earthier
burrito.
taste.
Yeah. So it's a little different than a normal California burrito. I'd say it's a steak fajita burrito.
Nice. I would say mine has more protein in it. It's just filled with steak and shrimp. So if you want the meatier protein version, opt for that surf and turf. But one thing though, I remember last time I came here, I fell in love with the sauce. So let's try the sauce out.
The sauce is good too.
Try the sauce with the burrito. This is like a creamy avocado sauce.
Feeling it?
Really creamy. There's a slight hint of spice. It really completes that burrito and brings it together, guys. This is fire.
So I got this to try something a little different. I would basically just hang with the either the surf and turf burrito I would get, or the surf in California with fries instead of rice.
Yeah.
Surf in California continues to be my favorite, but this is good. This is a pretty good option. So cheers, man. Thanks for the burrito.
Alright guys, so that meal was a success. We're pretty full. Killed that whole California surf and turf burrito. I know you guys are usually used to my tacos and Mexican food videos up in LA, but we had to go down south with Jay and, you know, show his city some love. Delicious.
Shout out to Dan, dude. He's got some great stuff, man. And yeah, Lucha Libre is awesome.
Make sure you subscribe to Jaycation too. He does a lot of cool San Diego tours. He does some food content as well. And yeah, I call him the king of SD because,
thanks,
you know, if you guys need any recommendations for good spots, if you guys are going down south, Jay has got it for you.
Yeah, check out my channel, Jaycation. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
Yep.
Same for Dan.
Put the link down below. Alright guys, if you like this video, like it, comment down below where we should go next. And yeah guys, subscribe to more food vlogs. Deuces.